Good morning students. Today through this video I will be explaining the reaction of an acid. I have taken acetic acid here. The reaction of an acid with a metal carbonate. In case of a metal carbonate I have taken sodium carbonate. You can see it's written here Na2CO3. Now we have already studied this reaction in theory, that on reacting an acid with a metal carbonate, what are the products that are formed? The products formed are a salt, water and carbon dioxide, right? So let us add this metal carbonate to the acid and let us observe the change which is taking place. Can all of you see this evolution of bubbles? This immediate evolution of bubbles is called as brisk effervescence. This takes place because of the formation of carbon dioxide bubbles. This time what I am doing is, I have the acid here, vinegar again, which is acetic acid, and in this I have the salt of bicarbonate, or which you can call as hydrogen carbonate. So in the previous example, in the previous reaction, I have shown you the reaction of an acid with a metal carbonate. Now I am showing you the reaction of an acid with a metal hydrogen carbonate, which you can also call as metal bicarbonate, which we have already done in class 9. So in this container I have taken sodium hydrogen carbonate, which you can also call as sodium bicarbonate, and this again I have taken acetic acid. Let us observe the change. Again, can you see the formation of bubbles taking place? Can you see the formation of bubbles taking place here? So again, the formation of bubbles is taking place because of the formation of carbon dioxide. Again, this is called as effervescence. I am showing you a closer view. Can you see the formation of these bubbles towards the top? These bubbles are being formed because of the evolution of carbon dioxide. So this is the case of the reaction of acid with metal hydrogen carbonate. So in both the cases, reaction of acid with either metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, carbon dioxide, will always be evolved.